name's Cheryl from Link for Life and Living Well Healthy Lifestyles Nutrition Team. Today I'm going to make quite an indulgent dessert. Sometimes we think we can't have desserts and still be healthy, but we can. And I'm going to do this with a little bit less sugar in it. It's so easy and simple, but tastes gorgeous. So what I've got today is some flour, some oil, some cocoa powder, some egg and some sugar, and we're actually going to do it in the microwave in a cup. So I've greased a cup, just an ordinary cup. If you're making this for children, do the same amount of mixture but just use smaller cups, and one mixture will do half or just divide it, but that's an adult portion, so it's a me-sized portion. So I've got, everything's in dessert spoon measurement, so I've got 4 tablespoons of flour. It's all just going to go in together, really easy. I've got 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to give our chocolate a lovely indulgent flavour. So I'm just going to keep a little tiny bit that back to decorate afterwards. I've tried to cut down on the sugar because sugar obviously is not really good for us, so I've just used 2 of those. So everything's using a dessert spoon that you would eat your dessert spoon. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil, just use vegetable oil, that'll be fine. You could even, if you don't have any oil in, use some melted butter. And this is half an egg because I've made one earlier that I'm going to show you. So you only actually need half an egg in there. Don't worry about wasting it because you could always use it in scrambled eggs. So if you just bring that together, and then I'm just going to put my milk in, that's in the fridge. So again, just put in about 4 dessert spoons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your milk in there. You could use any milk, mine's skimmed, but you can use semi-skimmed. If you've only got full fat, and use full fat, but I'm trying to make this as healthy as possible. So I've used semi-skimmed milk, skim milk. I've reduced the sugar, and I will go over the recipe again in a moment if you've forgotten that. And you see how beautiful and chocolatey that is. And if you're a chocoholic, sometimes you've just got to have something chocolatey. This is much better if you make it yourself. So that is as simple as it is. So I'm going to pop this into my cup. Make sure you get every last bit out, we don't want any wastage. And it's really good, this recipe, because it makes one, and if we're trying to be healthy in lockdown, you could share it. So make sure that you get everything out of there into your cup. And then this is only going to take about 2 minutes 20. So I'm going to put it into my microwave for 2 minutes and then test it after the 20. I've just spilt a little bit on there. Never mind. So the cook's treat. So I'm going to pop that in the microwave for 2 minutes. So just wash my hands. So if you want to just come back over here, I've got one that I prepared earlier. As you can see, it's come out really nice. I've served it with Greek yogurt and berries. So we're trying to stick to being healthy. So that's going to taste absolutely delicious. So any chocoholic, that will really hit the spot for you. Just to finish it off, to make it a little bit more attractive, a little bit of cocoa that I had left. So we'll wait for mine to come out so you can see it. People think that when you're trying to be healthy that you can't have desserts. It's okay to have a dessert, but have it after a meal, because the teeth can only cope with 3 sugar attacks a day. So if we're going to have something sweet, much better to have it after your main meal. And also, when we're cooking our own desserts, we know exactly what's gone in it. And today I adapted the recipe and put less sugar in, so that's going to make it even more healthy. And also, going back to this dessert, what we serve it with is going to be make it more healthy as well, because I'm using Greek yogurt and berries. So all in all, even though we've got our chocolate fix, we've still got quite a healthy dessert with lower sugar. So in a second my dessert should be done, and we will go over to the microwave and do a little countdown. It shouldn't be long now. I just want you to see what it looks like when it comes out. as you can see, this is quite firm. So 2 minutes in my microwave. If yours is not a high wattage, I think mine is a 900. So if it's 1,000, you might need to do it for 1 minute 40. But this, when it's firm to the touch like that, that's ideal. So as you can see, that is my indulgent chocolate cake. 2 minute chocolate cake done in the microwave. Enjoy. See you next time. Stay safe, stay inside, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.